If your Mastercard account is locked, it can be frustrating, but there are steps you can take to regain access. Follow these quick steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official Mastercard website. Look for the login or account section to find options related to account recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you are on the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the process of resetting your password. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Reset your password. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. Step 5. Log into your account. Once your password has been reset, return to the login page and enter your credentials. You should now be able to access your account without any issues. If you continue to experience problems, consider contacting Mastercard customer support for further assistance.